Hello guys, today I'm showing how to get a premium WordPress theme. Like that, this is newspaper theme, and today I'm to show how to get it. Click on this. As you know, this is newspaper theme 8.7. The cost is $59. This is a premium theme, and today I'm showing how to get it. If you want to download this theme, then type on your browser but theme name and last add then null and go to and click on this site is download free theme.cc. Click on this link. This is download free theme. Is this site will provide that null theme. As you know, this is download link. Click on this and download it. Today showing downloading, and I am showing how download location. This theme is downloading. Okay, so if you like this video, to subscribe this to get more information, latest information about technical news. And so thank you very much.